We'll guide you through how to make a Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the top left of Snapchat and go and click on the profile icon. And you should go and see the option Create My Avatar. If you don't see it, click on the cog icon in the top right to open the settings, then click on Bitmoji and click on Create My Avatar. You can then choose the gender, so I'll choose male. And what you can then do is start going through the full customization process. So you can go and choose skin color, you can then go and choose hair color, hairstyle, and literally all of this can be customized. So scroll through at the top and you can then even get into clothing as well. And then once you're happy with it, all you need to do is click on save in the top right. And that's it, you've now created it. And you can always go and change the outfit and add a Bitmoji at any point. To get back to this page, all you need to do is from the profile page is click on the cog icon in the top right and then click on Bitmoji and you can get here. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.